Sweden has long been known as one of the world's most innovative countries. This is one of the many stories behind Swedish innovation, from idea to market. When the bottom of a ship used for transporting goods is not smooth, it dramatically increases fuel consumption. Usually the hulls of ships are cleaned and painted regularly to prevent this. Large quantities of heavy metals are released from marine paints that are used to protect ships from biological growth. In response, itech has developed Selektope, an organic and synthetic compound that effectively prevents unwanted growth. The technology actually makes barnacles swim away from the treated surface.
I've been a scientist for all my life. I was trained in pharmacology and been working with the nervous system in different kind of animals. And I always had a hope to find something that could be a product. 90% of all our goods trading between the different continents go by sea or with ships. But still there hasn't been much of a discussion. When you think about it, for today, about 97% of all ocean-going ships is painted with cuprous oxide. Instead of taking material from the earth and then have it painted on a ship, and then the ship goes out into the marine waters, and you can never recycle the copper from the antifouling paint, you could use Selektope instead. And instead of those 3 metric tons, you can use 3 kilos. So you can have a sustainable way. When you have those good test results from real life, you know, not from the laboratory or some my own small sailing yacht, but from a real vessel that's sailing around over the oceans for 3 or 4 years, and you have a perfect, nice test batch. Nothing has been easy, that's for sure, but I think what I've learned the most is that you have to collaborate. The best memories I have had is when I met people at the paint industry. Coming there and seeing all this knowledge that's available outside my own sphere, it's been very stimulating. One of our friends within the paint industry just told me when we met in 2007 in Shanghai that he didn't thought that it would be enough with 0.1%, and he thought, well, I can at least test it to prove it wrong, kind of. It worked actually, and it was a great surprise for him, but not for me. It was, yes, it worked. Okay, it worked, yes, I know that. I am very proud today when I see the test patches on the ship hull, and it has been working so nicely. Then I'm very proud of it. In 10 years, if I'm dreaming about 50% of all ocean-going vessels will have our products.